Now let's come to the second part of this chapter. We will discuss the basic features of Chinese ancient philosophy. Despite the varieties of schools of philosophy, basically ancient Chinese philosophers, they share the following common features.
They all stress spiritual existence. Ancient Chinese philosophers studied different kinds of philosophical problems based on reality and experience. But all of them paid attention to the study of existence. All pursue in order to achieve the highest spiritual state.
For example, let's consider Confucianism's knowledge of life through disposition and consciousness, Taoism's search for spiritual freedom, Buddhism's nirvana.
There's also a common stress on practice. Ancient Chinese philosophers were concerned with the relationship between knowledge and the practice of knowledge. For example, consider the following quote: "To prefer it is better than only to know it. To delight in it is better than merely to prefer it."
Okay, now the third feature they stress on morality. Every school of ancient Chinese philosophy was a kind of moral philosophy. Almost every philosophy stressed moral practice.
There's also stress on harmony. Ancient Chinese philosophy stresses harmony and the pursuit of harmony between man and nature, and also harmony between man and another man. Mencius said, "Opportunities vouchsafed by heaven are less important than terrestrial advantages, which in turn are less important than the unity among people."
They also suggest on intuition. Ancient Chinese philosophy did not adhere to formal rules of structure and system in thought, and often resulted in fragmented thoughts written on paper. It was through reflecting on life's experience and intuition that the philosophical ideas were formed.